Thank you, sir. First, I take this opportunity to thank Shri Ravindran and Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation to allow us to participate in their aspirations of a smart city. मैं समझता हूँ कि हमारे जो पहले वक्ता थे वो जो बात कर रहे थे कि स्मार्ट सिटी होता क्या है, सब लोगों का ये इच्छा है कि स्मार्ट सिटी सुंदर शहर, पर मैं समझता हूं कि जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की सोच है वो सुंदर शहर नहीं, समझदार शहर, इसकी ओर गतिशील करना ये एक इनिशिएटिव है, ये एक इंटेंशन है। तो किस तरह से इसको समझदार करें? To ensure that this intelligence comes into play and therefore to monetize the entire effort of the life of a city is where I think the financial intermediation will come and play a big role. Monetization has two aspects to it. Typically, everybody looks at the revenue side of monetization. However, there is always a cost side of monetization also. And जब मैंने कहा कि समझदार शहर is what defines a smart city, it means that the entire digitalization effort, which will ensure that KDMC as the nodal urban body helping the citizens residing in the area of 67 square kilometers to participate in making the intelligence available to both sides. So it's a government-citizen participation and partnership. So it is not about private, public, etc. It is about how convenience can be monetized on both sides. The revenue is what typically will determine the kind of investments that we are going to put in. However, I would in the same breath talk about the cost also should determine the smart city investments. And I think that is the ultimate thrust when the Prime Minister talks about Digital India. And I think the way banks will participate in it is not just the banks, it is any financial intermediary will participate in it in trying to smoothen and make it seamless in terms of getting the services moving across the citizen and the government. And here, yes, there are challenges of GST, as Mr. Kantak really elaborated upon. There are challenges for any municipal corporation to put in that 50 crores per year for 5 years, whether it is a big corporation or a small corporation. Money out of the pocket always pinches. And what can be done? Yes, the banks will participate in providing technology, services to ensure that things move faster and seamlessly between. However, what is very critical to understand is how can we increase participation of citizens. Some of the earlier panel discussions talked about the mobile phones. I think the MD of IRCTC clearly elaborated on that. तो इन सब चीज़ों को अगर हम देखते हैं तो मैं समझता हूँ कि the cost of services will reduce, which itself will ensure that there is money as well as benefit of services on both sides. Money for the corporation and benefit of services for the citizen. The citizen, if he sees that there is convenience of service available in his palm through the mobile phone, through his smartphone, I think he will begin to participate more in taking those services. Today he runs away from these services because he has to spend 5 days to get that one service. So it is not just about banking and financial elements. It is about the entire ecosystem of the city coming together. So for example, the intelligence can be built in to see where water is being wasted more. For a corporation, and as Mr. Jethawat sitting next to me, running a nodal agency for the state for water management, if water is conserved basis the intelligence available in a Samajhdar Shahar to see where the density of effort has to be increased, it is cost saved. It will add to that 50 crores that a corporation has to contribute. That need not necessarily come under the umbrella of financing. It comes under the umbrella of better resource management. And I think that is what is meant by our ability to get all agencies to come together and deliver to the city. If we keep the citizen as our nodal focus area, then I think all of us, all my colleague dignitaries sitting, all the people sitting here who participate in ensuring that the life of a normal citizen gets better, I think that will decide whether you really become a smart city or not. So it is not about a cosmetic city. It is about a conspicuous city. I think that what defines the way we should go about looking at monetizing and financing our efforts. And I'm sure Kalyan Dombivli, under the aegis of Mr. Ravindran, will put all these efforts keeping the citizen at the center. Thank you.